Hi, today I'm going to show you how to restore the previous presentation version in Google Slides. So for example, if you would like to go back to the previous presentation which you have edited before, you can make this one really simple action. You can go to the left upper corner and you can click on File. After that, you can go to Version History, and here you have something like See Version History. Alternatively, you can try to use this shortcut to open this option, and after that, you will see here a list of all versions of your presentation. For example, you have here version from yesterday, Monday, Sunday, and other versions. If I want to restore, for example, this version, I need to select it. Then you will see here the preview of this version. And now I need to click on this one button, Restore this version. After that, you will see here this window. The question is restore this version. Your current document will revert to the version from 16th March. If you are sure that you want to restore it, you need to click on Restore button, and after that it will be successfully restored. So in this way you can restore your presentation in Google Slides. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's not your problem.